I know she's a very superior woman than me. She's a superior soul than me. And उसके बाद ये मुझे इतनी इज्जत देती हैं, इसके लिए तो मैं और इनका शुक्रगुजार रहता हूँ. And I meet her every time with much more respect and responsibility. Maybe she does this, she's sent in my life to make me feel more responsible and inspire me to be a better human being.
You know, सोनू मुझे सबरी ब्रदर्स का एक लाइन याद आता है. सबरी ब्रदर्स है, जितना दिया सरकार ने मुझको. Start with a rapid question round and then I'm going to go and take that seat there and we're going to get into the serious discussion. So are we ready? Are we ready? Can we hear a big round of applause so that they're motivated? Yeah. Cool. So you're ready for the rapid fire? Good. Your next book will be on.
Well, I already said that. The Whenever You Are Ready is the next one, but my next book is a love story.
Oh, excellent.
No, see, I've already written 3 books, out of which one book will be launched in April. It is on Mr. Shubhashish Chakravarti. He's right here. He's the founder of DTDC. That's a biography I'm writing. So that is actually my next release.
Okay. So before I move on to the next question, sir, if you allow me, can I ask you a question?
No, first I'll introduce him. This is Mr. Shubhashish Chakravarti. He's the founder and chairman of DTDC. An amazingly extraordinary human being. I was telling you about him. Like I told you, I keep looking for people who inspire, people who, are on a whole different level of business and attitude. And I found him. And quite by, one of my colleagues said, oh, you have to meet this gentleman. And I wanted to write his book and I went to meet him on his birthday. I landed up and it was his birthday, which I didn't know. And he spoke to me so nicely. And he said, why don't you come for my birthday celebration, which was with 7,000 people. There were 7,000 people who threw him a party. And I was shocked. I have never seen that. And to see the love people had for him, they carried him on their shoulders and it was amazing. And I tell you, it's been an extraordinary journey writing about him. And I'm so excited for the book to release so I can share you with the world. And he's such a humble man. I'm so happy you came.
I think let's. So thank you so much. Your next project will be?
My next project will be, I'm not pretty sure about it because I don't know if you're clued into the film industry or not, but I have picked up a cause for the implementation of the performing rights for singers and all, which has actually isolated me single-handedly because I've been the front runner for this cause. So I cannot disclose any song unless it's released because most of my songs last year have been redubbed by singers, other singers, and at the behest of certain people who thought that this is the right thing to do. So unfortunately, I can't tell you what my next song is because even I don't know what the next project is going to be like. But yes, of course, independent music is happening, and something we'll start working on an independent album with Saregama HMV and me and Bikram Ghosh G as the partners and composers. That's happening, but film music I'm not pretty sure of.
You want to talk us through about your Oscar nomination? How does it feel?
It was a shortlist nomination. Oscar में इस साल 7,000 entries थे. उसमें से suddenly we found ourselves in the first 115. Then we went to the advance list, which was last 30 nomination without any studio backup, big studio, huge backup. People, the studios normally keep about $5 to $10 million for PR and publicity for Oscars, and we had no studio support. We were independent producers. The movie was independent film without any big producers. अरे वाह कॉफी है very good. और क्या है यार सही बस जीरो से मुझे नहीं चाहिए मैं पीऊँगा ही नहीं तो उस वजह से we were just happy, and I think it's just a matter of great fortune, good luck that my first outing as a composer for a film with Bikram Ghosh ji as my partner received such respect. And ऑस्कर जीत पाना एक बहुत लंबी प्रक्रिया है और डैनी बॉयल जैसे प्रोड्यूसर्स डायरेक्टर्स होने चाहिए तब जाके आपको ऑस्कर्स मिलने की संभावना होती है. बट यहाँ तक भी पहुँचे ये भगवान की मेहरबानी.
If you were to describe yourself in one word.
Fun.
And if you were to describe Sonu in one word.
Divine.
थोड़ा तुम्हें लगता नहीं कि और थोड़ा चेंज हो गया, प्योर डिवाइन लाइट सोल?
No, but he is like that. Like you were
The
saying
light
that
there, clear,
written my
bangni,
books,
bangni.
I've dedicated all my books to Sonu. It's like, you know, his presence itself sorts everything out. You know, I don't know how, if you felt that, you know, there are some people who have to speak to you, tell you, talk to you, sing to you. And there are some people who are just there and that's enough to solve everything. And he is like that.
Yeah. So, Sonu, how old were you when you had your first crush, and on whom?
I was 6 years old. Yeah, I'll tell you. I was 6 years old. There was a girl who was my principal's daughter. I was in second standard. No, 7 years old. So I was in second standard. She was in third standard, and I found her really cute. The school, I can tell you everything. Her name was Anjana, and she was my teacher's principal's daughter. And I was in second. She was in third standard. I used to study in this school which doesn't exist anymore. It was called Versova English School in 1980. She was my first crush.
Okay, and you know how well answer, the question gets passed to the audience, and whoever gives an answer will win a prize. Okay, so please revise your tables. Priya, should start with you because I've already established your
Mathematical skills.
yeah. So tell me, Priya, what is 9 square divided by 9 divided by 3 square minus 1?
What?
Okay, I'm going to repeat the question only twice because it's a very simple question. 9 square divided by 9 divided by 3 square minus 1.
I know. 17.
Sonu?
No, it is 17. I'm a writer. I create stories. In my story, it's 17. Padho agli kitab.
Sonu, what's your story?
It's the lyrics of a Honey Singh song.
Anybody in the audience? Ah, see, we got smart guys. Okay, let's go to Mr. Chakraborty. We'll also ask him about his experience.
Oh, I remember you are the mathematics genius.
Yeah. And product are the same. Any three numbers whose sum and product are the same. Yeah. And I would like to remind you all that you have come here for a book launch and not for your maths exam, but still. Product is
Multiplication, right?
And
With product we.
see, I'm giving the media some bites, okay? So, you know, we ensure.
What is मैं बोलता हूँ एक दो बोला मैंने.
You're on track. I just want to make you feel very privileged. Please, can you please come here in the front? Yeah, I mean, he's right. I mean, if you multiply anything with 0 is 0, but he's on the right track. The answer is 1, 2, 3. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. 1 into 2 is 2, 2 into 3 is 6. So that's the answer. Let's... What's your name?
I got the question wrong again.
He said it wrong.
Let's see you guys thought.
You thought I would know his pet dog's name. I know his pet dog's pet name also.
You know, from the time I've come here on the stage, I've started thinking. So I leave.
I don't know.
Okay, so Priya gets this one. But you
I knew
remember?
it 5 digits.
Okay, so she's given only 50% of the answer.
We don't spend the time cribbing about life, criticizing people. I'm extremely wary of people who have opinion about everybody. ये भी खराब है, वो भी खराब है, ये भी खराब है, हम सब सच हैं. तो ना इनमें ऐसी कोई बात है. She will, I mean, who doesn't have issues? I'm sure she would have her issues too, and I would have my issues too. But then we handle it and we look at it in a very mature way, and we are always thankful to God about where we stand and what we have in life. And I think both of us are people who have a lot of self-respect.
Ladies and gentlemen, the unveiling of the book I Will of a Lifetime. That's taking some effort, but yeah, for a flight of a lifetime.
Sorry, you left. Yeah, left. Just a minute. बाद में निकलिए, 1 मिनट रुक जाओ. Yeah, left, sir. Sorry, you left.
और आज आप मौजूद हैं तो कुछ चीज़ें आप रोज लॉन्च किया आपके मार्केट की